Okay, so here's a carrier unit displayed at Home Depot. It's got a Gentex fan motor, but it's kind of fake because it's kind of displayed. So people walking by, I don't want to get in trouble. So 2014. And this thing is, that panel's fake because it's just for example. And this one's a Mitsubishi Electric, Mr. Slim. It's kind of fake. I kind of dropped that. So yeah, it's a 2014 carrier unit displayed at Home Depot. And here are some Reams air handler filters. I kind of have one of those. Alright, so here are NuTone's bath fans. Yes, there's NuTone. That one right there looks like my brother's from the bathroom. Yeah, I think these are all NuTones. That one right there's just NuTone. Pretty much like NuTones. Even my aunt has a bath fan like this. Cannot find any Brown, but they're all NuTones. Invent series. And here's a Hampton Bay fan. I have that as well. So yeah, these are all NuTone and Hampton Bay bath fans. So yeah. Guess what we're now.